This 2005 Formula PC Cruiser is a premium example of a perennial fan favorite. This 34-foot vessel is clean and well-maintained with tons of room inside and out. And best of all, it's a formula, with 6 decades of world-renowned racing and big water engineering standing behind a deep V hull that's revered for its durability, efficiency, soft, dry ride, and ability to handle even the most challenging conditions. The fun with this formula starts as soon as you board. Stepping through the transom access from the swim platform leads to the aft cockpit area where it's all about comfort. Plush wraparound seating surrounds a space made for lounging or entertaining. There's even a wet bar with a fridge and sink to help keep the fun going. At the helm, the confident captain of this coastal cruiser has plenty of raw power and a host of modern technology at their command. Not to mention it's pretty comfortable up here too. There's a wide double helm seat with fold-away bolsters for sitting or standing at the controls. The clean helm layout features Raymarine Hybrid touch Chartplotter, Quantum HD radar, depth sounder, alongside the autopilot VHF stereo system controls, and an electric windlass when it's time to pull the hook and move out. And move out she does. This vessel is powered by immaculately maintained twin Mercruiser 496 mag fuel-injected 375 horsepower engines paired with Mercruiser Bravo 3 outdrives with stainless duoprops. They'll push this sleek formula at a cruising speed of 26 knots with a top speed of nearly 40 knots. Down below, there's also a Kohler 7.3 kilowatt gas-powered genset to keep the action going no matter where the voyage takes you. The cabin area is where this formula really shines. Step down to a world of amenities purpose-built to make ocean cruising a pleasure. Comfortable and functional seating surrounds the fully air-conditioned main cabin, which also includes a generous galley with sink, microwave, 2-burner cooktop, built-in TV, and tons of storage. Everything is bright, light, and airy all around. The aft cabin provides quarters for guests, or just sneak away to this cozy lounge for some quiet time to read or catch your favorite TV show on this vessel's second television. This formula really does have all the comforts of home, even at sea. The full stand-up head is spacious and functional with molded-in sink, adjustable shower, and vacuum head. When the day ends, there's a comfy centerline queen berth with steps and plenty of storage cabinets on either side. The 34-foot 2005 Formula PC has everything a coastal cruiser needs, all in a clean, well-maintained package, built atop Formula's legendary reputation for durability and performance. Contact Tad at Mattapoisett Yacht Sales today to schedule a showing and see how this formula can make your summer coastal cruising dreams come true.